Okay, so now we're going to look at using the dollar symbol within a formula and a little tip to actually use this really quickly. So as you can see, I've got a list of various items that I've made sales against, and I'm going to pay someone a commission based on these sales. And as you can see at the top, I've got commission, percentage, and I've got 10% there. So one way you could do this is equals, click onto the sales figure, and then click on multiply, and select your percentage at the top. Now if I press enter, this will work out the percentage for me, my commission. So as you can see there, I've got £10, which is 10% of £100 of sales. Now if I change my commission percentage up here to be 20%, can you see it becomes £20. Now the problem with this is when I actually come to autofill, and by autofill I mean I move my mouse to the bottom right hand corner of the cell with the formula in it and click and drag, you'll see the formula doesn't work. Now this isn't working because basically when we move the formula down, it moves where it's looking for the percentage symbol down by one cell. So if I just double click into the second row down, can you see there the green box which is looking for the percentage has moved down by one row. If I go down to the next row, can you see the green box has moved down by one more row? So what we must do is fix that part of the formula itself. So we always want to fix the percentage as being in F6 in our example, which is here. As you can see, F6. Okay. So to do this, we use the dollars. Now the dollar symbols are actually inserted within the formula. Now these can be typed in manually, but there's a nice shortcut for us to use. So we start the formula off as normal, equals the sales multiplied by the commission percentage, like so. But at this point, as you can see, my blinker is just there, actually on the F6 part, which is my percentage, and you can see it's sort of highlighted around the edge. If I press F4 on my keyboard, can you see it puts the dollars in there for us? Now the dollar in front of the F means that wherever we copy this formula to, it's always going to be looking for that part of the formula to be in column F. The dollar in front of the 6 means it's always going to look for it in row 6. Now using the F4 key on my keyboard, with my mouse click towards the end of this cell reference, or any part of the cell reference. If I keep on pressing F4, can you see it cycles through different combinations of using the dollar symbol? But I'm just going to leave it as $F, $6. Press enter. Now if I come along and actually drag my formula down, you'll see it's worked out my calculation for me, which then allows me to come along and change this percentage here quite quickly and easily. So 15%, and can you see it's recalculated there for me? So that's how to use the dollar symbol within Excel and use it with a quick and easy shortcut.